Okay, so we didn't get the front end of the rock roll video, so giant excavator and the giant excavator operator is coming back over here to pick up another rock so we can roll it. That's a good looking rock. Yeah, that ought to roll nicely. Oh, wait a minute. Almost a secondary roll there. Unintended. Here it goes. Almost. I don't believe it, dude. Oh, look at giant excavator operator. He's flipping out. He's like, I can't believe I missed the flipping bridge. It curveballed around the bridge. Did you see the tree it exploded? I hope that freaking came out on this video, man. From here, dude. Hey, fucking wild-ass hillbillies having fun with a giant excavator and giant rocks in Colorado. Okay? Is that crazy or what?